Hey, what's up, guys? Jeremiah, the Raw Veganpreneur. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys pertaining to the cryptocurrency market and what's going on in regards to all the FUD, all the propaganda in the mainstream media, a lot of misinfo, a lot of, you know, again, FUD. So what I wanted to do is make a video on how I do my continuous up-to-date informative research right in my inbox every single day. I use something with Google called Google Alerts. You can set it up if you go to Google Alerts. You'll be able to, set up an alert, use the keyword cryptocurrency, and this is the keyword right here from Google Alerts, right here, cryptocurrency. So here I have a list of 20 latest cryptocurrency news, okay? And I wanted to go over it real quick with you guys and give you guys a sense of, a lot, again, it's a lot of misinfo, but this is where you have to do your research. You have to stay on top of the news. Twitter is a great source of information at times when it comes to following certain key players in this space. So the first here item we have is cryptocurrency investors face hefty tax bills as IRS closes in. The roller coaster ride for some cryptocurrency investors could be about to take another tax time lurk, according to experts, as the taxman looks for his share of transactions made using Bitcoin and its like. Wild fluctuations in the value of digital currencies. Bitcoin surged from less than $1 in 2010. So again, you know, a lot of people are uncertain right now when it comes to cryptocurrency, not sure what to do. Many people got involved when the markets were booming back in November, December, and people right now are left with uncertainty because they've seen their portfolio take a drastic dip, and now to hear that the IRS wants to get involved and tax you, it's not sitting great for a lot of people. So again, if you're into cryptocurrency, if you're a newbie, you want to first and foremost stay on top of the latest news. And I'm not talking about mainstream media news like CNBC, MSN. Not talking about that. I'm talking about being able to get your information from different sources. That way you can make your own conclusion, your own um, theory based on what you've gathered through your own research. So Google Alerts is pretty awesome because it gives you all of this in your inbox. The next one here we have is Twitter may be the next to ban cryptocurrency ads. As many of you have heard already that cryptocurrency ads were already being banned with Facebook as well. So the article reads here, Twitter may soon join Facebook and Google in cracking down on ads for cryptocurrency related products. Sky sources have claimed the social network will institute worldwide ban against ads for initial coin offerings, cryptocurrency wallets, and token sales within the next 2 weeks. So they're looking to ban ads because before, if a new ICO was coming out, they were running a whole bunch of ads and whatnot. And again, a lot of, fraud as well when it comes to people taking advantage of the market, taking advantage of people who do not do their own research, invest money that they cannot invest in, and they take a loss. So you have to take certain precautions when it comes to your investment, guys. It's not something that you're just going to believe one source and then say, okay, here we go, here's all my money. Because if that is the case, then you're absolutely foolish. Now, this article is from Engadget, okay? You can check them out as well. And the first one that I read, the cryptocurrency investors face hefty tax bills as IRS closes in. So this here is from The Guardian, okay, and the second one is from Engadget. So here we have the third one, fake PayPal cryptocurrency email mystery deepens with Bitcoin currently in the throes of its third worst crash in history after April 2013's 83% crash from $259 to $43 and the 2013-2014 crash from $1,163 to just $152. Many cryptocurrency community members are seeking clarification for the sudden drop in crypto values across the board. So, of course, if you're in this space, you know that the markets have dipped significantly. Okay, so nothing new. Okay, we are facing some very bearish times right now, but again, if you're in the space and you're a newbie, just stay on top of the news. You want to do your own research. If you're still holding and you got involved last year, a few months ago, and you were in profit, well, when I say profit, meaning you were in the green, the markets were bullish, and if you would have pooled your money, you would have made money. If you didn't pool your money, you just left it in and you have not pooled yet, well, that's great. Why? Because you're only going to lose money when you pool. And when you pool in the red and you pool your money, when in the red, you're going to take a loss. It's obvious. So, guys, just hold for dear life, like they say. Okay, there's the term HODL, HODL, and HODL is for, HODL for dear life, guys. Hold long, just, be patient. Again, we're in a time where transformational, generational wealth is being created, and right now, it may not seem like things are going to be taking a change for the better, but again, if you're in this for the long run, you're not trying to get rich quick, anything like that. We all want to get rich quick, right? But if you're looking to make money in the long run, you have the patience. Maybe you see that, it's looking very bearish right now, but just keep in mind, we're in the infancy stage of this of cryptocurrency, of blockchain technology, just in the infancy stage. So just imagine being in the infancy stage when the internet came out, and many experts still say we're just in the baby stages of the internet. Okay, so just imagine, guys. So again, so here we have another article here from Coin Telegraph. Says Israel steps toward cryptocurrency support. The judge ruling the case, Anat Baron, said that her decision was not intended to harm the bank's rights to analyze with specificity every transaction that takes place with the bank account or to take any actions that are related to minimizing risk. This likely means cryptocurrency brokers and exchanges. The next article here from Crypto Slate. No, the Mt. Gox sell-off is not to blame for market dip. Many who are aware of Mt. Gox know that there was a big thing with them. And as this article here states, the cryptocurrency market is currently in the midst of an apparent crisis, with Bitcoin down over 20% in the last 7 days, Ethereum down 31%, and virtually all altcoins following suit. The current bearish market sentiment has catalyzed a sell-off that has exacerbated the drop and sparked endless blah blah blah. Again, guys, if you're selling right now, which you do not want to do, if you think that this is a scam, you think that this is the most worst mistake you ever made in your life, blah blah blah, then this isn't for you. This space is not for you. This is not for the faint of heart. You are going to get involved with something that's going to make you a lot of money, but there's risk of you losing the money. So once you can be of a patient state when it comes to investing, and knowing that you are taking risk, but also the risk of making a lot of money, it is a beautiful thing as well. But again, you're going to feel the pain like many of us do right now, but many of us are just more patient than others. Many are facing, I see my portfolio just crash, you know, just look at the markets. We're right now at over 300,000. I think just a little while ago we was at we were just at let's see. So we have coin market cap here. Okay, so we have coin market cap here. This was back in December 17th. Okay, the week of December 17th, 2017. The markets were at the time. Well, right now the market cap is 313,807,738,309. Okay, but back in December 17th, 2017, the market cap was at 590,282,842,981. So we are again, in a time where it seems as if the markets are not going to recover, and this is where I'm not a financial advisor. This is not any advice whatsoever, but this is where you want to, buy more if you can. Buy more Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. I don't wouldn't suggest Ripple. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Cardano. Let's look at Bitcoin just recently. Okay, if we look at where it was actually trading for the last, well, let's do the last 7 days where it's at. And I mean where Bitcoin was at $9,914. Okay, so we look at 1 month ago was over $11,193, 11,860 here on $11,863 on February 20th, 2018. Okay, so right now it's at $8,200. And so it's taking a bit of a dip, of course. But let's look at where it was at a year ago. Okay, that way you can get an understanding on how Bitcoin is still in my eyes. I see it doing phenomenal still. Back in December 2017, it was at 19,351. Okay, but let's just look at a year ago. So a year ago was at 1,015. March 18, 2017 was at $1,015. All right. And it's right now at $8,200. I don't think that's too shabby. Again, I know everybody does not want to hear, about Bitcoin being, at $8,200 today when it was at 19,000, close to what, $20,000 back in December. So we just have to realize that these things do happen, and if you're in it for the long haul, you're gonna make a nice amount of money. And if you're gonna sell in the red and you don't care, and you're one of those people that are gonna quit and just don't believe in it and have not done enough research to see the magnitude of blockchain technology and how powerful blockchain technology is, and how huge this is, and how big it is, how this is how blockchain technology is even bigger than the internet itself. So there are a lot of emotional people in crypto, a lot of newbies who are emotional, who can't even think right in their life, let alone when it comes to investing their money, and they have panic attacks. So if you're having a panic attack, if you're suffering right now, and you still hold any crypto and you have not sold, you're still one of the smart ones who have kept your crypto and just still holding, then great for you. Okay, you will be reaping the benefits. Now let's read the other one. It says Bank's book adds to calls for cryptocurrency regulation. This is Routers. Bundesbank's Butch adds to calls for cryptocurrency regulation. Gernot Heller, Toolman, Reed, Berlin Routers. Regulation of cryptocurrency must be considered. Bank Vice President Claudia Buke told Routers, even though she does not believe they pose a threat to financial stability. Yeah, okay. That's why many of the banks are not allowing their customers, to use their debit cards, their bank cards, their credit cards to purchase any crypto. I'm not going to mention any bank names like Chase or anything like that, but there are other banks who are stopping people from actually using their credit cards, their banking, you know, your funds where you have your money, your hard-earned money with these banks. They're not allowing you to buy crypto, a few of them. So again, guys, you have to see that there's a lot of fraud. A lot of banks are afraid. They're seeing that no longer are going to be the days where you have to rely on a bank to send anyone money, to pay anything, any bill, any individual. You can just buy, receive, and not have to pay enormous fees, okay, when doing just that. Okay, so the next article we have here is cryptocurrency discussions gaining steam in Illinois University. So this is Illinois Network News Network. Illinois universities are offering students more opportunities to learn about digital currencies. Good for you, Illinois University, such as Bitcoin, as interest in cryptocurrencies and the technology behind them grows. Gib Bassett, head of the finance department at the University of Illinois at Chicago, said interest in the subject is driven as blah blah blah. So there you have it. Okay, so now we have universities, stepping up to the plate, getting involved, and the amazing blockchain technology and the digital currency. So great for you guys. The next one we have from express.co.uk. The article says Ethereum price plummets, cryptocurrency value drops massive 16% in under 24 hours. And they're talking about which one is this Ethereum? Just looking at awesome Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is at 531. And let's look at it's at the second ranking. Let's look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum 1 year ago today. Where was Ethereum? Was at $39.12. Wow. Okay. And just January 13, 2018, Ethereum was at $1,368. Not too shabby, I would say. Okay, guys. So again, what goes up will come down. What goes up must come down. The old cliche, the old term of what rises will fall, and it goes the same with crypto. Okay, it's gonna reach its highest point again. They say, the experts, the people who know about charts and know how to analyze the historical data. Again, you have to do your own research. You have to know what you're getting involved with. But right now, as you see it, Ethereum is at $530. So anyone wanting to make some money, I would definitely put some money into Ethereum, because this is what I am doing. I have done. This is not financial advice. This is no advice whatsoever. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So there you have it. You have express.co.uk talking about the cryptocurrency was worth $606 at 9 a.m. yesterday before it saw a 16% decline. It was not the only digital money to see a sudden drop over the time period, with Bitcoin also seeing a price drop. The original cryptocurrency dropped dramatically by 9% from 8,296. Okay, then we have our next one here. World leaders to discuss cryptocurrency crackdown at this week's G20 summit. Oh yeah, because they want to crack down because they don't have the power anymore. World leaders are starting to see that no longer are going to be the days where people have to rely on Big Brother, on these bankers to give us permission to send and receive monies, okay, dinero, okay. We no longer need the bank, okay, and that's why they want to try to crack down. Not happening. World leaders to discuss cryptocurrency crackdown at this week's G20 summit share Courtney. Unless there is uniformity of regulation on a global basis, even at a high level, businesses will struggle to manage the continuing financial crime risk coming from customers, cryptocurrency investors, because they say a lot of criminals now are using cryptocurrency like criminals are not using cash, right? Come on, man. Please, are you kidding me? They're trying to say that now there could be more crime because of cryptocurrency and blah 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 blah. The next article here from BTC Manager: Bittrex cryptocurrency exchange will delist over 80 tokens for lack of liquidity. US-based cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex, which actually, if I'm not mistaken, they they had some stuff go on with them just recently as well. I don't recall what it is, but Bittrex has announced it will delist 82 tokens with poor liquidity on its platform. The Bittrex team has said that with effect starting on March 30th, 2018, cryptocurrencies like BITS, BITZ, CRBIT, CRYPT, and 78 other cryptos will cease to exist on its trading platform. And the next article from CCN Cryptocurrency Hedge Fund, Dan Moorhead, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and Co-Chief Investment Officer of struggling cryptocurrency hedge fund Pantera Capital, recently claimed that even if Bitcoin falls like pets.com or fails like pets.com did during the dot-com bubble, the hedge fund will still see investors make money. They didn't even know that pets.com had failed in the dot-com bubble. All right, best cryptocurrency under $1 by picklinica.it. Focused discussion making $1 million. One was just $2. The true value of a coin is often determined by its market cap. However, a certain body of crypto investors are on the lookout for December 29, 2017. This is an old article, seems like December 29, 2017. All right, so the next article here, guys, is from BTG Expo, Cryptocurrency Excel Spreadsheet Tracker. It's a spreadsheet tracker, so I'm not going to talk about this one because it's just a little tracker here. Bondusky Bank, we already talked about that. Report Twitter to ban many cryptocurrency ads. Twitter will ban advertisements for several kinds of cryptocurrency products and projects. The policy, according to Sky News, would go into effect in 2 weeks and would block ads for initial coin offerings, token sales, and cryptocurrency wallets. It could also encompass a ban on ads for cryptocurrency. AT&T.net reports. Best cryptocurrency forum, Gold Brats Open Forum, cryptocurrency with more than 18,000 readers. How to start mining coins, pools, hardware, mining software. The first part is either da 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 da. Okay, guys, so again, you have a lot of information with these Google alerts where you can learn. No reason why you're not able to stay up to date. You get these alerts right on your mobile device, right on in your email inbox. And the next article here, IntelliX, anti-Semitism drives irrational response to cryptocurrency warning. In my article, we need to shut Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies down. Sure, buddy, it's not happening. Only in your wildest dreams. You sound like a banker. Keep dreaming. Here's why from last week. I made the argument that crypto mining, the transaction processing behind Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is so fraught with criminal enterprise that any crypto transaction unethically, blah, 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 blah. So here you have some weirdo talking about wanting to shut down the whole blockchain system, cryptocurrency, which is out of his mind, which is never going to happen, which is just another reason why we need to get away from the banking cartel because of people like that. He sounds like a banker. Anyway, the next one says, Crypto Traders Pro, Inside Digibyte, the most scalable cryptocurrency. Inside Digibyte, the most scalable cryptocurrency. What is your background? Do you trade? I originally started mining. I tried my hand in trading last year around the time that Digibyte had been sitting around US, da 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 da. So again, you got people even talking about, you know, what they're doing, forums and real cool, good information you can get just by implementing Google Alerts. So this is the final tool here. Twitter to prohibit range of cryptocurrency ads. We talked about that. Golden cryptocurrency price prediction to $20. Haha. Yeah, I wish I'd buy it all. Meanwhile, I'm thinking that crypto will be over 1 trillion by that time, and this could put Electronium in the top 20 price prediction and cryptocurrency dollars. Coin has a max supply of 100 billion Tron cryptocurrency, so the chance of the price prediction. So guys, again, I just wanted to make a quick video, only 25 minutes so far. What can I tell you? Sometimes I just get so passionate that I want to just provide information that many newbies may not even know that they can use something like Google Alerts and be able to get information in regards to finding out how to stay on top of the latest trend. So what I like to do is show you guys real quick before I finish up this video here. You go to Google Alerts, and when you go here, you're able to, you see Google Alerts, monitor the web for interesting new content. Alerts, monitor the web for interesting new content. Create alert, and you can create an alert for any term, guys. All right, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. So you're able to get the latest news and updates right on your email inbox. And this is a way for you to get the content that you want and base your own decision based on articles, newspaper articles, blogs, scientific research that is written about these certain things, in this case cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, etc., every single day. Another way is using the search engine. I use DuckDuckGo because they don't monitor you like Big Brother Google. I like that. So DuckDuckGo is pretty awesome, guys. All right. And then, you search, a bunch of information, and you can do your own, research, Bitcoin, and you'll get a lot of FUD and a lot of non-FUD. So again, guys, it all comes down to being able to do your own research, find out anything that you want by just researching a particular coin, a particular, you know, token project that is right now in the market. And another thing I want to show you, a lot of people don't even know, is you can go here and you can check out the gainers and the losers for the day. Okay, so here we have the biggest gainers and the losers. So what I like to do when I click on biggest gainers and losers, so what I do now is I click on the volume, the most volume in the last 24 hours. So here we have the status, SNT status, we have Stellar, XLM, and so here are all the coins and tokens that have done pretty great. The biggest gainers so far in the last 24 hours. Okay, dope coin, huh? Funny. A lot of these things are so funny. Car vertical, supposed to be a pretty good one, guys. Yeah, so again, there's a lot of ways you can do research. Here's the biggest losers, and there you have it, guys. I hope this will be of some sort of value for someone. Again, you have the tools out here to be informed, to stay informed. There's a lot of great people on YouTube who are providing a ton of value, a ton of information. Again, it's just finding out how you can get the right information in your either inbox or get it on using an app, the latest news for crypto, and then base your own decision that way. And then again, guys, it's a fun, exciting time right now when it comes to cryptocurrency, blockchain technology. Just do your own research, and maybe if you learn enough and you want to also do videos to help the community to share your knowledge, that'd be awesome as well. We all have to, be part of the bigger picture here to continue to spread the knowledge and help many new people who are right now afraid. They invested all this money and don't know what to do. Well, if you're listening to this, do not sell, man. Do not sell in the red. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies, if you're listening, do not sell in the red. Okay, things are gonna pick up. I know we're looking at a market cap right now, 311 billion, when it was just a few months ago was over close to 600 billion. So again, just be on top of the latest news. Do not sell in the red. Buy in the red, sell in the green, if anything, and get ready for life transformational generational wealth. If you really learn to understand cryptocurrency, digital currency, blockchain technology, you'll be able to really transform your life. All right. I hope this video helped. Please like, share, and comment. Once again, I'm Jeremiah, the Raw Veganpreneur. Looking forward to making some more videos and coming out with my latest website, which is going to be providing a lot of value, a lot of free content, video tutorials, how to trade, how to market, who to follow in the industry. So many great leaders here in the industry that you can look on Twitter, and you can find, you know. So, all right, guys, have a great night. This is nighttime for me over here in the East Coast. Actually, it's 12:07. It's actually morning time. So, hope this video was some sort of value. Peace and blessings.